CEO Alex Karp has just made headlines by dropping a significant bombshell that reinforces his company's position in the market. However, there's another CEO announcement that could have revealed Palantir's future stock price, and it's a big number that many investors have been eagerly anticipating. Is it finally happening? Let's dive right in. In a recent interview, CEO Alex Karp addressed the skeptics of Palantir, sending a powerful message to both their investors and those who wish to undermine the company. Karp typically operates behind the scenes, but this recent revelation could have shifted the perspective of the doubters and instilled even more confidence in their investors. So, what did he actually say? He began by tackling a pressing question: how has Palantir managed to attract and retain some of the world's top investors, not just institutional ones but individual investors as well? These investors have remained loyal to Palantir, even during challenging times, and what's more intriguing is that they didn't just invest in the company. Investors didn't just support Palantir, they actively fought for the company, standing by it when critics were circling and doubts were raised. When the media and skeptics were quick to write off Palantir, these loyal investors remained steadfast. As you may know, critics have often made bold claims against Palantir. Karp highlighted that they said the company didn't have a real product, and their comments were often aimed at damaging Palantir's reputation. Karp went on to address how these critics dismissed Palantir's business model, claiming the company lacked profit margins. Even with Palantir's clear success in the U.S. market, some still argue that its growth is slowing, despite its strong performance. Detractors have labeled Palantir as too radical and different to be a serious player in the tech industry. Karp also pointed out that many doubted Palantir's ability to achieve profitability and questioned whether it could go public successfully. To them, Palantir seemed too unconventional to create anything genuinely disruptive in the sector. However, Palantir remained confident, knowing that every negative comment, doubt, and criticism was unfounded. Importantly, the supporters and investors who stood by Palantir recognized that the critics were wrong. These individuals weren't just passively observing, they actively pushed back against negative voices and defended Palantir when it seemed like everyone else was trying to bring it down. Their commitment to Palantir stemmed not only from their belief in the company itself but also from the idea that Palantir was fighting for them. It became more than just an investment, it turned into a shared mission. Palantir wasn't simply focused on building a profitable business, it aimed to create something more significant. The company was committed to its vision for the future and to the people who believed in that vision. This dedication is why Palantir has cultivated such a strong company culture. Its success isn't solely measured by its products, profit margins, or financial gains, it's fundamentally about the bond it shares with those who believe in its mission, fight for it, and stand by it through every challenge. This is what keeps Palantir resilient, even in the face of skepticism. And there's even more to this story. Excitingly, Palantir, as one of the largest players in the AI sector, stands to gain significantly from the advancements driven by other companies in the industry. Recently, Nvidia, a giant in AI, announced a target for its company to reach a staggering $30 trillion. This ambitious vision not only highlights Nvidia's goals but also underscores the pivotal role it aims to play in reshaping the AI landscape. What makes this even more thrilling is that with Nvidia leading the transformation of the AI market, Palantir could benefit immensely. Let's break down the numbers. Nvidia's current market cap is around $3 trillion, which is 34 times larger than Palantir's. Given Nvidia's target to grow to a $30 trillion company, we can deduce that they're aiming for a growth factor of 10. This massive AI boom will undoubtedly lift the entire AI sector along with it. Now, just imagine if Palantir manages to capture even 10% of that market share. It may seem achievable, but if it happens, the implications would be extraordinary. This could mean that Palantir might soon be valued at $3 trillion. By the way, if you are benefiting from the content so far and want more like this, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications bell, and comment the word more. Just go ahead and type the word more so I know. Now that you've commented, let's continue. If Palantir's market cap grows by 34 times, it could lead to a corresponding increase in their stock price. This could potentially push their share price to an astonishing $1,344. While such lofty predictions from Nvidia's CEO may seem far-fetched, there's no denying that he likely has insights we don't. It's not unreasonable to consider that capturing just 10% of the anticipated massive Nvidia boom might actually be within reach. Palantir appears well-positioned to ride Nvidia's wave, and on top of that, they can leverage their own products to advance AI to new heights. There's also the possibility of collaboration between the two companies, which could enhance the efficiency and profitability of their partners. After all, that's already part of Palantir's mission. Moreover, we can speculate on where Palantir's stock could head as AI becomes more integrated across various industries. The company has already seen significant growth in recent weeks, and with the rapid expansion of the AI sector, Palantir has the necessary tools to capitalize on these opportunities. This significant increase in valuation could position Palantir as a leader in the AI space as the technology continues to evolve. As AI expands, Palantir's technology is likely to be adopted across various sectors, from healthcare and defense to everyday business operations. The momentum from the broader AI industry will create new opportunities for Palantir, potentially transforming how businesses operate, manage data, and make decisions. The future looks promising, and Palantir is poised to capitalize on this potential. In fact, there's a substantial opportunity for Palantir to kickstart a second wave of growth, and this is a rare moment in time. If Palantir can seize this chance, it could lead to significant upward momentum for the company. So, what's this new opportunity? Recently, money market funds experienced a notable increase of $38 billion, coinciding with the Federal Reserve's rate cuts and China's efforts to stimulate its economy. Currently, there's nearly $6.5 trillion sitting on the sidelines, indicating that many investors are waiting and collecting yields while keeping their options open until after the upcoming elections. If Q3 earnings prove strong, these investors are likely to feel more confident about reinvesting in the market. For Palantir, this influx of cash from money market funds could be a game changer. As more capital flows back into the market, many investors may begin to explore opportunities in tech stocks, positioning Palantir as an attractive option. Palantir's innovative software and strong growth potential could make it an attractive choice for these investors. With more capital available, Palantir may experience increased demand for its services, as companies seek to leverage data analytics for improved decision-making. This heightened interest could lead to more contracts and partnerships, thereby boosting revenue. Furthermore, as confidence in the market rises, Palantir's stock could gain momentum. Increased investor interest may drive share prices higher, benefiting both the company and its shareholders. A rise in stock price can also enhance the company's market image, making it more appealing to institutional investors who may have been previously hesitant. Come unto me all ye that labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest. Jesus invites you today in Matthew 11 verse 28. Whatever your anxieties and trials, spread out your case before the Lord. Your spirit will be braced for endurance. The way will be open for you to disentangle yourself from embarrassment and difficulty. The weaker and more helpless you know yourself to be, the stronger will you become in His strength. If you have watched the whole video until the end, drop a comment like this: I stayed until the end. Just comment that I stayed until the end. When I see this comment, I will give you a heart. There are 3 more important steps to build wealth. First, like this video, subscribe and then turn on the notifications bell. If you do this, you highly motivate me to continue bringing to you educative and transformative videos every week. Do not miss out on our future videos full of knowledge and wisdom. All I am asking is your subscription. Thanks for joining us today. Your support is appreciated so much. Do not hesitate to share this video to help someone. I recommend that you watch the next video, subscribe to the channel and share your thoughts about today's video. Thank you. See you in the next video by God's grace. We love you, and blessings to you.